Yo, what's up guys? It's me Boris and welcome in today's trades recap. Today I took two trades on ES and unfortunately I took one break even and one loss. I definitely did some small mistakes that caused me to lose second trade. So yeah, we'll go over today's price action and over today's trades. Basically, today I was leaning more bearish because we sold down. We are selling down before market open, and we had a lot of drones liquidity lower. So this low leading to a daily fair value gap. Those lows as well. Here. So we had a lot of draws on liquidity, and at market open, I wanted to see us tap this 5 minute and this 5 minute on ES and go lower. Um, Unfortunately, we didn't tap this 5 minute fair value gap at market open, but I think we created some sort of SMT right here. Yeah, we created this big SMT, um, and, and Nasdaq started to going down. So I think it was a very valid setup to take. I had my break-even point at this 5 minute fair value gap, and yeah, I made a small mistake in this trade because I entered here instead of here. So when I was entering, there was no actual fair value gap, inversion of fair value gap. So it was definitely a mistake. Um, but yeah, I will just make sure to never make it again, and I think we'll be fine. And I was targeting, this daily fair value gap. Uh, Wait, maybe I will show it this way. This 1 hour, low, and it was also a daily fair value gap. But yeah, I got stopped out at break even right here when the news came up. And then the second trade was, I think, a bad trade to take because there, like this trade lacked a couple of things, and we'll go over it right now. So basically, we created a lot of equal highs on ES, so I really wanted us to tap them. Also, the Nasdaq was, like very bullish. It was just chopping up, up, up. We were also in a in a choppy price action. And the only thing why I took this trade was this 5 minute fair value gap getting inverse, but there was no clean break-even point for me. There was no like break of structure on Nasdaq. Like Nasdaq wasn't ready to go down. So yeah, the only good thing is that I risked like 300 bucks on this trade, 320, I think, something like this. So I entered it with like 8 contracts instead of 10. So that's the only like good thing, but I think it was 100% avoidable. It was a bad loss. Mm. And yeah, so my performance wasn't the best today. I'm down 323 bucks. Not the end of the world. I'm glad, I didn't overtrade or anything, but it should have been a break-even day. I should have entered in this trade and call it a day. I was looking at this price action because I knew that there was a possibility of us creating, a really, really good short setup, but it never happened, so I shouldn't be entering this trade. I think that I just wanted to enter a trade, and when you look at something for a long period of time, you can like talk yourself into this trade looking good, but when in reality it was not a good trade. So yeah, I know what mistakes I made, and I will make sure that I will never make them again.